Hi there, Realtor Rene here. Today we're looking at a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,956 square foot house located in Ocala, Florida. There is an HOA with the home, which is $18 a month, but the home is for sale at $339,000. Let's go ahead and get into the actual home. You can see that the homeowner took very good care of this home with the landscape. A lot of love put in the actual home with that. And when you first walk in, you can see a nice large foyer, perfect for Florida weather, keep you dry. And when you walk in, you're going to see nice ceramic floors with laminate floors as well. Large entranceway. You do have some nice storage area. Before we get into the nice kitchens and living room and dining room, let's go ahead and get into the bedrooms first. You're going to have some storage closet on the right hand side, and what's great is that all these rooms are located on one side, which is very nice and convenient, especially if you have a large family, kids, or just large adults. So you have nice closet in here. These rooms are really large. Let's go ahead and look at the guest bath. Again, this 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 vanity sink, which is a big plus. You don't really find that in some of these homes. Another large room, okay? Lots of natural sunlight that comes into the home. Again, this home was built in 2016. 10,000 square foot lot as well. This is another large room. This room actually has a walk-in closet, which is great. Nice large closet. And you can see how beautiful this flooring is throughout the house. This flooring is fairly new. And that's what the view is walking out of the actual rooms themselves. And this here, I love this room. This is perfect for when you first walk in, mud room. This is your garage space. That is a boat, okay? Don't let your eyes deceive you. That's a boat. This is a large, tall garage that you can put plenty of things in. Large trucks, vehicles, SUVs, you've got it. And this is another large room, your laundry room. What I love about these homes is that just the ceiling height, the finishes, all looks plush. Let's get into the master bedroom before we get into the kitchen, dining room. This is a beautiful, large master bedroom. Look at the tile on the floor. That is tile. All fairly new within the past few years. Large walk-in closet. Okay, and then when you walk into your master bath, very beautiful master bath, double vanity sink in here. You have more storage behind this door. You have your commode or toilet behind there, and you have a beautiful master bath. Okay, so that's the master. Again, double vanity sink, which is nice. Let's go ahead and walk out to the dining room, living room, and kitchen area where most of the time is spent. So you can see how large the space is. Definitely check down the description below to see how large these rooms are. But look at that nice island kitchen, plenty of counter spots placed, plenty of storage. There is going to be a credit of $2,000 for the homeowner. The new homeowner, coming from the current homeowner. It's going to allow you to get all new appliances. Beautiful tile backsplash. This is really nice. And this is really great for juice boxes, kids, or if you want to store your beer, wine. Really is a nice open concept home. So, and then you have a nice large dining room table. You can see that seats about 6, 7, okay? And then when we go out to the actual patio out here, this is really nice. I forgot to mention as well, there's blinds that are gonna come with the actual home. The ones in the actual master bedroom are electronic. These are actually pulled down, but you're gonna see that when I pull these down, I can see out, but you can't see in. So those blinds are going to come with the house. This is a nice patio, screened in patio. This place is really nice, especially during this time of the year. I believe it's about 78 or close to 80 degrees. So So this is your back pavers, nice patio area. I can see a nice, maybe a pergola over this, backyard barbecues. It's a very large depth lot. Again, it's 10,000 square foot. You got some more pavers, landscape over there and on this side. And what's beautiful and great about the home is that you get this beautiful shed. So the homeowner is going to include this shed, plenty for storage, and then you do have another access point here. This is the only access point for the backyard. So again, you can see how large. I can imagine kids and dogs and even adults playing back here. It's such a great green, well taken care of lawn. So let's go ahead and walk back through the home. If you know anybody interested in purchasing this home, please reach out to us. It's 352-872-7222. And thanks so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye-bye.